Tornado Siren Test. The one in my entrance went on for like 2 seconds then stopped. I'm actually on my way to one of my lawns. Let me get out of the way. Here, a different one. It doesn't sound like a Federal 2001. We got someone running. I'm gonna let him keep going. Hello. I'm having to pull over again, see if we got anything. Still going. That is sick, 2001. Very well could be. It's definitely not a 2001. I'll have to look into that, but that was the Friday test. Pretty day for it, I'll tell you that. I was actually on my way to my lawn, and the neighbor back there was mowing. You know, you couldn't hear it. I was far enough away, the siren just started going off, and by the time I heard it, the one at the entryway had shut off. The ones in the distance kept going. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I will put into the video where to turn up your volume and when not to. Sorry about all the shakiness. I was actually standing in the street. I was trying to get out of harm's way. Okay. Peace out for now, guys.